Windows 10 is getting more features. Here's what's new. Microsoft is today rolling out even more Windows 10 update features, including File Explorer Dark Mode, Cloud Clipboard, and more for insiders. Windows 10 has only just got its April update, and already Microsoft is rolling out new features to test for those using the Insider program. The new Windows 10 build, version 17666, rolls out today with new features which should be available on general release later this year, likely in the Redmond 5 update. One of the most important new features is a cloud clipboard. This will allow you to take notes on one device and have that same information ready to be displayed on another. The cloud clipboard would be ideal for taking information from a PC across to an iPhone or Android device. If that level of cross-platform integration will be possible is still unclear at this stage. This cloud clipboard will allow you to copy and paste across devices and keep a history of those actions. This is much in the same way that sets and timeline work. That means you can copy from a tablet, say, and paste into a laptop if they're both running Windows 10. The Windows 10 Dark user interface has now made it to File Explorer also in this update. That means a File Explorer will now match the system, making it much easier on the eyes. Notepad has also had some updates. Now you'll be able to highlight a word and use a keyboard shortcut or context menu to search Bing for the word. Fluent Design also gets the update treatment with the acrylic titles bar in sets and a new Alt+Tab use that allows you to quickly switch between recent Edge browser tabs. This can also be disabled in the multitasking settings. These new features follow the addition of a new screen sketch app that allows for better screenshots. This was added as a way to make grabbing full screen or selections of the screen easier using a Win+Shift+S key combination. Other new features added in the Windows April 10th update include easier file sharing across devices, better task resuming in timeline, smart Cortana features, a new game bar with Fluent Design, and more. Microsoft recently responded to issues with the Windows April 10th update after Chrome NAD Cortana began freezing and machines locked up. It promised a fix was on the way, days later, despite sources claiming it knew about the bug a month before the update was rolled out.